Hey everyone, I'm Harrison and I've just spent the last 10 days on my first solo trip in the Gold Coast, so come with me as I show you all my favorite activities I got up to while trying new foods and seeing the most breathtaking views I have ever seen, and I hope you enjoy. What is up guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome if you're new here. Today is the second day on the Gold Coast and today we're going to Movie World. Super excited because I haven't been since 2017, which was 9 years ago. Oh my god, such a long time. Super excited because there are so many new rides that has been added since, like the DC HYPERCOASTER wasn't there in 2017, it was there in 2018, so I missed it. And it's apparently like the best roller coaster in all of Australia. I beg to differ because I've been on the still type hand at Dreamworld and I think that one's better just because it launches you forwards, backwards, forwards again and then goes upside down 4 times. Well, this one doesn't go upside down once, but I've seen some POVs, so it looks cool. I'm already a bit running late, so I'm just trying to make it to my tram. I'm super excited because I love rides and roller coasters. This is the main reason why I came to the Gold Coast, honestly. And I got approved to get permission to film myself with my GoPro on the rides. So I'll be taking you guys with me, so make sure to stay tuned. Anyways, let's get going. Guys, I've made it to Movie World. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you don't understand, like. Alright, we're going in. Oh my god. Guys, I'm going on backwards. I don't know what side to sit on. Maybe this one or this one. Probably this one. Oh, I'm so stuck. This is the first time going on the rides. And I'm going backwards too. Oh my god. I'm just casually like leaning forward. Oh my god. Whoa, what the hell? It's so tall. Oh my god, the whole park. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Sorry if my hand shakes. Holy shit, it's so tall. But here we go. Oh my god, the airtime is insane. Oh my god. Oh my god, my mouth. Oh my god, that was so fucking fun. Alright, here we go on the Green Lantern. I love that line. I just love it when it leans on the edges. So fun. Alright, where are we gonna go next? Superman Escape. I will only be able to film myself twice on this one, so I'm only gonna film myself in landscape with my reaction and in vertical with my reaction. I won't be able to film the POV. That's totally fine. I think it's more exciting just to see my own reaction on this. Before I show you my reaction on Superman Escape, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is me. A few months back, I launched my own small business of phone cases, and you can buy the same design I was wearing in the Gold Coast, which looks like this, or any of my other designs I have on my website right now. And don't worry if they're not your style, as I also have custom cases too for not just iPhones but also Samsung models as well. So be sure to check out my website right now, which is linked in the description, or scan the QR code on the screen, and follow all my social media platforms as I have new designs launching every few weeks and you don't want to miss them. But anyways, back to the vlog. Alright guys, we're about to go through.
Attention, attention, the earthquake tremors are increasing. Move the train to Trafalgar Square without delay. Proceed with caution.
The whole place is caving in from an earthquake. Cop 44, cop.
Alright guys, here we go.
Heads back. I'll push you out of here. Fast. Superman fast.
Whoa, I forgot how fast that launch was. And that was the Superman Escape. Such a fun ride. I literally forgot how fast that launch was. Oh my god, literally so fast. I'm trying to think like what was my favorite rides of those three. I like the launch better than just a massive drop, but those bunny hops at the end of the DC Rivals was so good. I love pulling out of my chair. Alright guys, I'm going to Scooby Doo. This is like pitch black. We're going backwards. Turning around. We're going forwards. Oh, it's like a wild mouse. Oh my god! I did not see that last drop. Oh my god. It's squishing me tight. Oh my god, another drop. Alright, that was the Scooby Doo coaster. I couldn't film, but I did record an audio on my watch, so you could just hear me screaming every now and then. It's so cool in there and dark, which was good because it was really hot out here. I was also waiting in line for 15 minutes, but it kind of went by really quickly because I was just watching a movie the whole time. Anyways, I think over there used to be a ride. If I remember, I think it used to be like the Doomsday one. That closed down. Oh my god, I completely forgot about the Arkham Asylum ride. That also closed down too. Luckily I went on it like 9 years ago, but yeah, I'm now in like a Wild West section, and I think I'm gonna go on the Wild West ride. That would be really fun, honestly. I need to cool down. Just went on the Wild West. That was really good. Only 20-minute wait line. I'm gonna go again just to cool down again. That was really fun. Alright guys, it's almost 5, no it's not. It's almost 3 o'clock right now and it closes at 5. So I just had a little snack to eat and I'm gonna go on some of the Wizard of Oz rides. fun. So quick though, but it kind of really did feel like the Arkham Asylum, like it just dropped down. Didn't go upside down at any time though. I'm gonna go on that one next. Went on that one again. It was really fun. I actually quite like this one as well. It's like really fast and you feel like the gravity when you're going down and up and around. So we have about just over an hour and 2 minutes before 5 o'clock when it closes. So I want to spend that last hour waiting in line for the DC HYPERCOASTer. I already went on it 4 times at the beginning, but I just want to go on it one more time again. I don't know how long the line is, but that's the most popular ride here, so it probably will be an hour. Oh, that was so fun. I loved it. That's honestly my favorite ride in Movie World. So fun and so fast. And those bunny hops at the end, so good. There's like 9 minutes left. I want to try and go on the Green Lantern one more time. And the line doesn't look too long either, so we'll see. Looks like I'll make it for the last ride. It's still open. And that is all. Managed to get on that ride for the last ride. Oh, actually there's probably 2 more people going on there. So fun, such a good day out. And I'll give you a little bit of a review when I get home and I'll tell you what my favorite rides were overall. Back home. I was gonna go to the pool before I go to have dinner, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna go out now because I'm so hungry, I'm so starving. I'm just gonna go back to the same place I went to yesterday because that chicken palmy that I had was so good. So I'm just gonna go back there again and then have a shower and then finally relax. Alright guys, before I head to bed, I want to quickly give you a little review of Movie World today. First of all, had the best time ever. After 9 long years, I finally got to go on all these new rides that I've never been on before, and some of my old favorites from the last time I've been there. As for the rides, there were 2 rides that I didn't get to go on because they were under a scheduled maintenance, which I already knew about beforehand, so it wasn't too much of like a shocker, but it would have been better if I had gone on them, of course. As for the rides I did go on, I only went on 7 rides, which were the rides I showed you throughout the day. I'll have the list of them all on the screen right here, from my favorite at the top to my least favorite. But yeah, had such a fun day out. Can't wait to watch back this vlog and see all the fun memories and see all the cool GoPro footage that I got on the rides. But anyways, if you like this video, make sure to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It would really help my channel out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I'll be posting more Gold Coast content on there over the next few weeks. And make sure to check out my small business yet again. I'll have my website linked in the description of the video and the QR code scanning on the screen right here. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys tomorrow at SeaWorld. Bye.